Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. First of all, open up the settings in your phone. After opening up the settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then click on Text Tones from here. You can change the different sound of the text from here. Now open up the Instagram app. Once you get into the app, click on your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap on Menu from the top right corner. Go into Settings and Privacy from here. Choose the Notifications options. Now, from here, go into Messages and tap to set the notification settings according to your preference. If you can't find the Instagram option under Sounds and Vibration Patterns, it's likely that Instagram still doesn't provide this level of customization. In that case, you would need to rely on the default notification sound settings for your phone. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.